Hello, Dr. Bush here with Science Student and Coaches. Today I would like to show you a virtual dissection on a human cadaver. We're going to take a look at the abdominal cavity and peeling away layer by layer until we get to the pancreas, which is pretty deep down into the abdominal cavity. So we hope these kind of mini lectures will also help you, in our tools that we use, our virtual dissection will help you to understand the human body. And, even we cannot be in labs right now. We do everything virtual. We try to use all the tools we have to learn more about the human body. So if we take a look at the screen right now, we're going to take the skin away. And then if we look on the inside, we see our liver right here with the gallbladder and the stomach right over here. Now, most of our abdominal organs are covered by this sheet, which we call the greater omentum. We can lift the greater omentum upwards, and we call it sometimes an apron. So let's just get rid of it so we see what's underneath. So now we cut the greater omentum, and we can see now, again, the stomach right here. We see the small intestines in the middle, and they are being surrounded by the large intestines that you see right here. So we have the ascending column, the transverse, and the descending. Hard to see is the sigmoid right here leading into the rectum. What we can also see up here is the diaphragm. The diaphragm is the muscle that helps you breathe, of course, but it also separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity right here. We see a little piece of the lungs right here. So let's take another layer off. So now we cut the liver in half. We see the stomach. The stomach is still covering the pancreas. So let's take another layer off. And now everything is out. We can clearly identify the pancreas right here. The pancreas is an exocrine and an endocrine gland. So exocrine, it's releasing enzymes into the small intestines, which we see right here, to help with the digestive process. But the pancreas is also an endocrine gland. It's releasing hormones. Insulin is one of them. Now, I just wanted you to see here, squeezed in the corner, that's our spleen. So now, we are really very much in the back. You can see some of the vessels there. I hope you enjoyed our dissection here. More will be coming up. Please join us for our virtual meeting every Monday evening, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please like us on YouTube, visit our website, and I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you for listening.